it's Amanda with Americana Gardens, and today I have a special guest with me.
Hi, my name is Noelle.
And she's also a gardener. You may have heard of me, she's my niece. She does this little garden right here. That's her spot. And we went to Lowe's today and we got some neat little plants to fill in the area with. You want to show them what you got?
Yes.
Okay.
We're on clearance. They're a cute little white flower. I got dahlias. After I show you the plants, we're going to trim off the dead ones. And then I got begonias.
Yeah.
A cute white pink and dark pink.
Cool. And we got our tools right here. We have a kneeler because it rained here, so we don't want to get our knees wet. And then we got like this, they call it a hula hoe. I did weed in there, but there might be some that we gotta get out. Yeah. We got some pruners and we got the
shovel.
Spade. Yes.
Same.
So, and this is going to be where she's doing it now. You can see I didn't weed whack around it because I actually have a sponsor for this video. So we're going to move these rocks out and then we're going to trim the grass around this area with Saker. She's holding it up. Okay, yeah, they have a cordless hedge trimmer and a grass shear, and we're going to use the grass shear today. So it's really good for like using on ornamental grasses too, to cut them down like in the early spring. But we're just going to try it out in this area because it's kind of tall. So Noelle, you want to move the rocks out of the way?
Sure.
Okay. And I'm just going to talk more about Saker real quick. Okay, so this is Saker here. I'm going to open it up. I did open it up when I first got it like 2 weeks ago and just messed around with it. But yeah, you can see right here, this is the main component. And then you have this attachment here for the grass shearing and then also the hedge trimmers. Yeah, that's the main component here. Pretty simple. I like anything battery operated. Makes my life easier. Yeah, this is for the hedges here. It just has a guard on it right now, but we're not going to use that right now. We're going to use these right here. Okay, yeah. So this is the bottom of it. You just pretty much find the hole, put it in the hole. You could squeeze this to kind of get it in there. Wait till it clicks like that. So that's nice in there. Also, what's really cool is that you can just push that button in and you can alternate like the angle that it cuts on. So that's neat. One of the batteries go in the back here. Just like that. And then a safety feature, you just push this one forward and then you push the trigger. And that's how it goes. I'm just gonna go ahead and give this a whirl. There's a praying mantis.
Look at that.
Yeah.
A
cool.
baby one.
Yeah, small praying mantis. You want to put them in the hedges, Noelle?
Sure. Let's go.
Okay.
Baby praying mantis. Come on.
Yeah. Just as long as he's out of the way, or she.
Now I'm just going to finish raking this.
Okay.
Can you please move that?
Yeah, this worked pretty good.
As me, I would highly recommend it.
But no, this would be great for like tall weeds or ornamental grasses. I'm hurrying. We'll see Tommy drive by too.
Here they come.
We'll get the 411 from Tommy.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right?
Those are neat.
Yeah, they're gnarly.
They have like the little spikes. That's kind of neat.
Yeah.
Those. Here, I get.
Yeah, you could get all those little tiny weeds up.
I didn't even know that was there.
Yeah, it's called a hula hoe. They're awesome.
They get all the weeds out easier and they make the soil look good, not so dry and not so icky.
Yeah. And then you just gotta rake out the weeds. Looking good, kiddo. Looking good. Nice.
Oh, there's a rock. Throw it on the pot. Boom. So, the last time that I attended to this garden, it was about
A year ago. Yeah.
So, I wanted to make a new video. We cleaned out all the rocks. This year, we're probably doing much more than this. Last year, what we did was she weeded and she weed-whacked around it. We didn't take out the rocks and we didn't use any kind of big tools, I should say. So this year, I wanted to go big, I said. And I got it.
You're going big.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, these are called wild strawberries. If you see them in your garden, you can take them out. The wild strawberries, sometimes they take over and they're like really hard to get up sometimes. So if you see any red like this, take it out if you don't want it to take over. The new plant that I have, it just came out of the garden. It's a little succulent, and I'm gonna plant that in one of these dishes.
Oh, that's a good idea.
So now I'm just gonna quick take all this out. This is the cute. If you ever have an old watering can, you can always put succulents or a little drapey flower or vine. Hang it up so it looks dramatic when the vine hangs over.
Whoa, that's a good tip.
Yep. I was gonna call it Noelle's Tips.
Noelle's Tips. All right, so what we got left in this garden, this is a weeping cherry tree. I guess I should talk about this tree. Blooms very beautiful, light pink flowers in the spring, and we have 2 Veronicas down below here. Now eventually these will have to be relocated, but they're blooming right now. They usually like sun, but they're still blooming. I want to talk about this real quick too. This cherry tree, you see how these roots are growing around the trunk? You do not want that. I'm gonna have to come in here and actually cut this root so it doesn't choke out the tree. But I'll do that another day, not on this video here. We got tons of roly-polies. I don't know if you guys see them crawling around here, but yeah, we disturbed the dirt, so all the bugs are out. And these are actually columbines. There's 3 of them in here, so that's what's left. And everything else is gonna be new.
So what I'm gonna start with these 2 zinnias. I'm gonna put one on each side. So I'm probably gonna put one here. About right here.
Okay.
These zinnias, we got them at Lowe's and we got them for clearance. They were originally $2, but I think they came down to like $1.
Yeah.
So, good find.
Yeah. And they look healthy. Yeah, they're not bad looking. And the spent blooms here. So what you want to do with dahlias is you're going to cut them. You're going to cut them down to like a set of leaves, like right here.
Okay.
Okay, because then it could like right where my finger is.
Okay.
Okay? And that's what you do.
I don't want to cut that one.
Yeah.
Snip.
Go for it.
Okay.
I mean, you could pop them out with your fingers too.
The begonias, they have no dead ones, so they seem pretty good to plant. Okay, so I'm going to start placing them out like I did with the zinnias. So let's do with the yellow ones.
What's your tip to get plants out?
My tip to get plants out is squeeze the bottom like this. You go 1, 2, and 1, 2. And then you can usually pull them out, like I did.
Just like that.
Perfect.
Okay.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place a little yellow one around right here.
All right, you place them where you want them, Noelle.
Okay. The begonias. My favorite are the dark pinks because I'm a dark pink fan.
Oh, wait. What movie did we go see?
So, yesterday, right?
Yeah, yesterday.
So yesterday, we finally got to go see the Barbie movie.
It was fun.
It was really fun, really funny, and my
Lots of pink.
lots of pink. And Mandy, known as Americana Gardens, she cried.
Well, it was happy tears.
Happy tears.
Happy tears. Okay.
Okay, so now let's get planted.
Okay. You could have a succulent garden under there. That'd be cool. Oh, that's gonna be neat.
Uh-huh. And now I'm going to take these two and put them in these 2 pots.
Okay.
So I'm starting to get to dig time. So,
Fun time.
yay! For small plants like this that you go into a 6 or 9 pack, I would recommend using a small shovel.
A spade, yes. All right, kiddo.
Let's get to it. When you first dig, shove the shovel in as far as you can, but leave about an inch of space.
It gives you
dig.
leverage when you pop it up then.
Yep.
Yeah.
Then you put it right next to it. As you can tell, we probably planted something here in the past because you can see the little white soil.
Yeah. The perlite, I think that's what it is.
Yep. I love getting like a little 6-pack or 9-pack of these plants because you can spread them out. They have lots more possibilities than when you get a big just pot of them.
Mm-hmm.
So like I said, I would recommend getting the 6 or 9 packs or 3 packs or something like that.
Get the zinnia in now.
Nope, we're definitely not. We're gonna cook it.
Oh, another begonia in. Okay.
Yep.
Don't forget to leave room for your stepping stone.
Nope, this is gonna go right here.
Okay.
Because it's only gonna be a small rectangle.
Okay.
So now, my beautiful plants.
Yeah, those zinnias were a good find.
Mm-hmm. In clearance at Lowe's, you just had to find the perfect ones, and they look perfect.
Yeah, they're fine.
Uh-huh. Bang! I love planting.
Awesome. I'm glad we could do your garden this year.
All right. See, this root here is from this cherry tree. So, just shove it back in.
Yeah, plant it back under.
So, okay, can you put it back in?
Do you want to use that chair thing? The kneeler?
Yeah.
I see your knees are getting dirty.
Oh, well.
Yeah.
I'm having fun.
Yeah.
Okay, let me
Just try the kneeler. There you go.
Bang. I'm an old lady.
Oh, hey. Those things come in handy.
For all ages. I'm just trying to be funny.
That's true. Hey, Noelle. What do you like about gardening?
There's so many things that I love about gardening. It's how the plants get happy after I plant them, how it relieves anxiety, and it gives you so much things to do.
Awesome.
And other things are, if you just have a little bit of the yard that you don't know what to do with or it looks plain, what you can do, you can start with little flowers. And which one that you like. Dig a little hole, mix up the dirt. If you have to, add a little Helpner soil, add the plant. It just brings a pop of color. It's amazing.
And it, looking at the garden too is kind of like happy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It gives you good thoughts.
Exactly.
Planting, every time that you dig a hole, you could say, I'm helping the earth. Planting, it helps the earth. It helps them. It brings air. It gives you good thoughts. You just think. Girl, and you put the little pots and the holders here. I have my old gardening gloves on her, and they're like rotten now. I put the gloves on her because that was the first time that we have done this garden, so I wanted to like put a memory on it because not all plants last. So I'm gonna stand up the girl in the garden, and I'm gonna put the little pots in her holders.
So we finished doing Noelle's garden. We will mulch tomorrow. It's actually really dark out. Like we can barely see, but in the video it looks so much lighter.
It's nice though.
So thank you to Saker who sent me out those clippers, and I will be using those in other videos as well. And if you want, there's a description box in the description box. There's a link for it. And Noelle, you want to give us a final tour?
So we have the LED flowers. We got, what are they called? The white ones.
Zinnias.
Zinnias.
Yeah, you were close.
So, one here and one right there. We have succulents here in the pots, there, and I think there's another one over there, and we have the group there.
Yeah.
We have the dark pink and light pink begonias. And then we have the, yellow dahlias. So, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.
Oh, let's just check this out real quick. This is really neat. Thank you, Noelle, for doing this.
Yes, but like I said, it happens with magic.
And hard work.
Oh, hard work. My hands are dirty.
Yeah.